Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Matic from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to move your Polygon tokens quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward, even if you're new to crypto transfers. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Revolut, and that you have some Matic in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that Revolut supports Matic deposits. It's usually available, but things can change with crypto regulations. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your Matic balance. Click on it to access the send or withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and select Matic. There, you can find and copy your Revolut Matic wallet address. Make sure you're using the correct network. Typically, it's the Polygon network for Matic to avoid high fees. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Revolut address into the To field. Enter the amount of Matic you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 4. Hit confirm and double-check everything. You'll need to verify with two-factor authentication for security, always a good practice to protect your assets. Once approved, the transfer should process quickly, often in minutes if the networks are running smoothly. Step 5. Now, switch to your Revolut app and refresh the crypto section. Your Matic should appear shortly. If it doesn't, give it some time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. One quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to ensure everything works before sending larger sums. This minimizes risks like wrong addresses or network issues. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfers wisely. There you have it. That's how you send Matic from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.